That's a 512 gigabyte micro SD. That shit ain't running out. Go on. Alright, man, we back in the Mustang. Got my nephew with me.
Yo.
We're gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna let him drive the Mustang. So we're gonna let him rip it up for a little bit, get his opinion on how the car drives, and see what happens. Hopefully we make it back in one piece.
Hopefully.
Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop.
So what you think, man?
This thing is great. This is the first time I actually driven a Mustang, like ever. And I'm in a 2019, so I get to feel what they feel like now. It's definitely, it's sporty as far as the suspension.
It has like a rough race car kind of feel to it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like you feel like you're in a race car when you're in this.
What mode is it in right now?
This is a normal mode. Got some pickup too.
I wonder what track mode feel like. Does any of the modes make the
Just like let it.
I gotta get used to that clutch, yeah.
It's long. But just stay in the gears longer too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You shifted mad early.
Yeah. Okay. Cause I was wondering, like, does your steering wheel get tighter when you put it in the different modes?
Nah, I got steering modes too.
Oh shit.
Just more steering.
Yo, I feel it. It feels weird. This actually feels better. It's better than normal. That's weird because I feel like sport mode is more comfortable than the normal mode. I don't know what it is.
You know the sport mode?
I'm in normal mode?
You're in normal mode.
Why you keep putting me in normal mode, man?
Because you're normal right now. You gotta
I gotta be.
know what you're doing first.
Oh, okay.
Step up to some crazy and stuff.
You know what's funny? I don't even want to use the power. I'm just glad I got it. I just, because it's like,
now you see why I don't be racing everybody.
Yeah.
Because in this car, the second I go anywhere, Subarus, fucking other Mustangs, Challengers, Chargers, as soon as they see you, they start getting in race mode. Like they start revving their engines, pulling up on the side of you. I'm like, go ahead, man.
Word, not even worth it.
Yeah. Gave a little sport mode now.
Sport clap. Oh,
Man.
yo, it really, like I felt it just when you switching it. That's great. Nah, it wants to move now. That's too fun. Wow, that's a completely different feel.
In track mode crazier than that.
Yeah, don't put me in track mode. I'm good with sport. Yo, you gonna make me get a Mustang, yo. Yo, this is crazy. I like normal mode because you can really just cruise in normal mode.
And it still got power.
Yeah, that sport, like, I can't drive like that 24/7 with this much power.
That's why when you put it in track.
Really, beat him?
Like, man, I'll hit that OK button. Right
never panic. Get a worry, send it up in an advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no.
Look, man, I'm going to Myrtle Beach tonight. If I was taking this instead of the Beamer, probably wouldn't even make it. I'd be acting a fool, probably end up handcuffed, everything. Like, this car is crazy. This is wild. My heart's still beating.
You didn't even really go crazy in that shit.
Nah, I did, but you know what it is? I already seen the future of me going crazy. I was like, nope. I can see me on the 95 right now hitting $120 real quick. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get something like this though. It may not be a Ford Mustang, but it's definitely gonna be a V8. Something pushing around the same horsepower. And I'm gonna be satisfied with that. There's no more buying cars after that.
That's it.
If anything, just another buy. But you know, we say that now and then later on you're gonna be like,
that's why I told you, like I'm into cars right now, so I might just keep going. Like put the garage over there, make a nice little new driveway, just get some more cars. Like fuck it.
And then when you get this all paved out, that's when we can really mess around and work on it. Get you a lift inside.
I'm putting a lift in there. I priced them out. They like $2,000. That's not even a lot of money. Like for what I'm gonna be spending on building a garage. She wants to be in the video.
Hi. Subscribe. Bye.
All right, man. Nephew loved his first ride in the Mustang. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm about to get on these steaks right now, man. A little filet mignon. Your boy know how to grill too. That's a whole nother YouTube channel.